Hi, Johnny Locksmith here for Fast Las Vegas Locksmith. Have you ever been locked out of your home? How about locked out of your automobile or your car? Both of those situations can be absolutely frustrating beyond belief. How do most folks handle those situations? They call a professional Las Vegas locksmith. How do you know that the person or company that you are contacting is an honest and reliable individual and company? Well, here in Las Vegas, there are several reliable and professional locksmith companies that provide top quality service with a 100% guarantee behind their product. If you want a fast, dependable, experienced, and affordable locksmith, feel free to visit our website at www.fastlasvegaslocksmith.com.